Pleasant morning to Honorable Chief Guest, the Vice President of the school, Shri Ashok Bhosekar sir, respected Principal ma'am, Vice Principal ma'ams, Primary Head ma'am, Cultural Coordinator ma'am, teachers and my dear students. Today, we all have gathered here for the Guru Purnima celebration. And Guru, the word itself signifies the person who takes us from darkness to light. It is truly said that as a person, we are indebted to our parents for our living, but we are indebted to our teachers for living well. Our teachers teach us how to live a life. Through our parents we get a life, but through our teachers we come to know how to live the life in a proper manner. Dear children, today is a day to express our gratitude towards our gurus, towards our teachers, towards our elders who are guiding us in every path of our life and teaching us the difference between right and wrong, molding us, increasing our tolerance level to understand what is correct and what is incorrect. I personally indebt a lot of things to my God. Even I complete life to my Guru, and Guru is next to God. Guru Gobind dono khade kaku lage paए, बलिहारी गुरु आपनी जो गोविंद दियो दिखाए. It means the place of Guru is above than God. If you hurt your Guru, if you make your Guru upset, and you are thinking of praising the God and making the God happy and getting the blessings, it's not possible. So always remember, day in and day out, when you work, when you come to school at child level, at a student level, your parents, your teachers are your gurus. You have to respect them, you have to treat them with love, affection, care. You have to make sure that whenever they need you, you are there next to them. You will give your time to them, you will listen to their instructions, you will follow what they say. Right? Obeying the instructions of the Guru itself is as equal as worshipping the Guru, you know. And today our Guru, our Honorable Vice President sir is here, and really sir, we are so happy and we are so overwhelmed that you have accepted the invitation and you have graced the occasion. Due to sir's vision, we all are here today, you know. If sir wouldn't have thought, the school wouldn't have existed. And we are so grateful towards your vision, your passion, sir. And till now, sir, always think how we can do good things, new things, creative, innovative things for our children, for you all. So our school management is continuously engrossed in thinking, in developing the amenities in such a way that our school children will be benefited academically and from the holistic point of view. Dear children, Guru Purnima is a day to express our love towards our Guru, and today our students of Standard 8 have organized this beautiful ceremony of worshipping the teachers, and each and every teacher, especially it starts from your mother. Your mother is your first teacher, even your father, your teachers. We cannot express our love if we want to also. If we have so many things, see, love is important when it is expressed, but what we can do for them, that we have to ask, because gurus, they never come and tell us that I want this. We have to understand their feelings, we have to understand the situational awareness, what exactly they need, and we have to provide. And that is what a true Shishya is all about. And it is said Guru kripa hi kevalam shishyasya param mangalam. Always remember this. If a teacher is not happy with you, nobody will become happy with you. Right? And all the teachers, all the gurus, when they teach you, when they come to school to teach you, to deliver knowledge to you, wisdom to you, remember, it comes straight away from their heart. There is a lot of efforts which are being put in, especially for you. So what is your responsibility as a student? That you should be attentive in the class. You should clearly listen to the teacher and you should follow what the teacher is asking to do. Make sure, children, if you make your teacher happy, then all the happiness will come to you. Okay? You need not struggle for being happy or for any materialistic thing. But if you make your teacher sad, if you make your teacher upset, that's not good. So today is a very special day, and let us recite a shlok for Guru. Yes, dear children, please join your hands. Dhyanamoolam Guru Murti, Poojamulam Guru Padam, Mantramulam Guru Vakyam, Mokshamulam Guru Kripa. What does it mean? कि गुरु का जो वाक्य है वो आपके लिए मंत्र होना चाहिए, तभी गुरु की कृपा आप पे होगी. ऐसे ऊपर ऊपर से रिस्पेक्ट देने से नहीं होता है. यू हैव, इट शुड, इफ इट इज देयर इन योर हार्ट, इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स इन योर एक्शन. इफ इट इज नॉट देयर इन योर हार्ट, द लव फॉर योर गुरु, it never reflects, you know, that drama is not being considered as pure, right? So we all have to be very particular about our thoughts, about if you respect somebody, it reflects. Okay, your intentions reflect. So I request all the students to respect their gurus, their parents, their teachers, their elders, even their seniors sometimes, because we learn so many things. और जब आप किसी से कुछ सीखते हैं तो जो आपको कुछ सिखाते हैं उनको आप गुरु का स्थान देते हैं, अच्छी चीज सिखाने वाले, ठीक है, तो वो आपके गुरु हो जाते हैं. Alright, we all know Lord Krishna was the guru of Arjuna. We all have heard Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Every day we are reciting shlokas of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and we know that the Gita was being recited in the Kurukshetra by Lord Krishna. To whom? To his disciple Arjuna, right? We all have heard of story of Dronacharya and Eklavya, right? Eklavya की story आपने सुनी है? Guru Dronacharya asked him for his thumb, and he was knowing if he gives his thumb, he will not be able to become a good archer, right? But what happened? Immediately, without giving a second thought, he cut his thumb and he just presented to his guru. So what does it mean? कि अगर आपको आपके गुरु ने कुछ कहा है तो उसको सोचने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. You need not think twice. And for that level of guru has to be also maintained. And that is why I request the gurus who are standing here, teachers, we also have great responsibility on our shoulders. We have to make sure that we are giving the correct things to our children. We are passing on the correct values to our generation. Because academics, I have heard recently, academics is just a drop of this big ocean of education. It's just a drop. The education is not only about marks and scores. The education is about living your life well, becoming a good human being, having your ethics and morals intact with you, right? And the mannerisms, how to sit, how to stand, how to talk, how to walk, how to behave, how to deliver the actions in the situations where you are panic. Presence of mind has to be developed, inculcated in the minds of the children, and that is called as 21st century skills. 4 C's. What are 4 C's? Creativity, collaboration, communication, critical thinking, and the last one is connection, connect with the people, develop emotional intelligence of the children, because nowadays children are becoming machines. But dear children, if you become a machine, your jobs will be taken away by AI. But if you have an emotional connect, if you have that EQ level strong, your jobs will never taken away, because we are the best creation of God. And that is why I request all the teachers, be very serious about the interaction what we do with our kids, with our students, because that is a very serious affair going on. So we have to be very serious. And dear children, you should be also serious when your teacher says something. Try to fulfill your teacher's instructions on priority. Once again, I wish you all a very, very happy Guru Purnima. And I pray to God that all of you shine in your life with the best things, and all your wishes may come true. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
योग सिद्धाय सिद्ध बुद्धाय भद्रभावाय ही नमः। विश्व पूज्याय पूज्य भावाय शर्म कंदाय ही नमः। वागीश्वराय वागंभीराय वाग्मिताय ही नमः। गुरुदेवाय गुरुवक्त्राय गुरुचरणाय ही नमः। परब्रह्माय ब्रह्मरूपाय रूपशुद्धाय ही नमः। गुरुदेवाय गुरुवक्त्राय गुरुचरणाय ही नमः। परब्रह्माय ब्रह्मरूपाय रूपशुद्धाय ही नमः। ध्यानाय गुरुस्पर्शाय ध्यानसिद्धाध्वने। गुरुशुभ्राय शुभरत्नाय रत्नत्रयीकारिणे। शुद्धपाराय शुद्धसाराय शुद्धप्रदायिने। गुरुगौरवाय मोक्षकन्दाय धीमते तेजोभानवे। गुरु हेमा महासरिते गुरु ध्यानानन्दये नमः। गुरु साकार सिद्धाय गुरु परमात्मनायिने। धर्म मार्गाय मार्गभद्राय गुणगरिष्ठाय ही नमः। ज्ञानमत्ताय ज्ञानयज्ञाय ज्ञानसाराय ही नमः। योगसाराय योगकाराय योगचन्द्राय ही नमः। गुरुदेवाय गुरुवक्त्राय गुरुचरणाय ही नमः। परब्रह्माय ब्रह्मरूपाय रूपशुद्धाय ही नमः। गुरुदेवाय